polyphenols, are one of the most abundant and varied families of natural molecules produced by plants. A 2025 study by analyzing polyphenol intake in over 120,000 people, it found that flavonoid diversity, not just total intake, was a stronger predictor of lower all-cause mortality in chronic disease. Participants who consumed the widest range of flavonoid types had between a 6 and 20% lower risk of death and major diseases. Different flavonoids seem to specialize in protecting different parts of human physiology. The traditional antioxidant model, it may only describe part of the story. The diversity of flavonoid structures themselves might be what gives them their unique power to stabilize cells and promote resilience under stress. Researchers at the Wyss Institute began exploring how different flavonoids interact with cellular proteins, and the results were a little bit unexpected. They observed that flavonoids didn't just float freely in solution. Instead, they actually self-assembled into ordered fiber-like structures called supramolecular assemblies. The findings suggest that flavonoids may contribute to cellular resistance through non-antioxidant mechanisms by forming supramolecular assemblies that physically interact with and stabilize proteins, much like a temporary molecular framework that shields the cell during stress. At the molecular level, the researchers found that small structural differences between flavonoids can completely change how they behave inside the body. So when it comes to plant compounds, it isn't about finding the best polyphenol or the highest dose. It's about molecular variety, combining tea with berries, citrus, dark chocolate, or red grapes, so that your cells, like the molecules themselves, have more ways to adapt and more ways to endure.